and welcome to Hunstanton Sea Life Sanctuary and welcome to our ocean tank. So this is our largest tank here in the aquarium and it's home to a real diversity of fish species, shark species and our green sea turtle who is called Ernie. So Ernie has been living here for about 10 years now and he is about 18 years old, which is quite young for a turtle of his species. Their average lifespan is around 50 to 80 years, but there have been some individuals who have got up to about 100 years old. So he's still a teenager really and he still has a bit of growing to do. He is about 85 kilos and we expect him to maybe reach nearly 100 kilos when he's completely fully grown. And he's a green sea turtle, so he is the second largest species of turtle in the world. There are 7 species of marine turtle, and he's the second largest next to the leatherback turtle, which is twice as big as him. We have several species of shark in this tank, the biggest one being the black-tip reef shark. So sharks are really fascinating animals. There are around 511 species of shark, ranging right from the smallest one, which is the dwarf-bellied lantern shark, right the way up to the big whale shark, which is about 12 meters long. So they come in a variety of shapes and sizes and colors, and they're really well adapted to suit their different habitats and ecosystems. For example, sharks have got really interesting skin, so it's not made of scales like most fish, it's made of rows and rows of tiny little teeth, and that helps them to be a lot more hydrodynamic as they're floating through the water. And their skeletons, rather than being made of bone like us, it's made of cartilage, which is the same stuff that's inside your ears and your nose, and that's what makes those flexible. And it makes the sharks a lot more flexible and lightweight when they're hunting for their fish prey. We've also got the Napoleon wrasse in here, which is a very large species of fish that is normally found in Australia, and they're a very long-lived species. So ours has been living with us for about 5 years and is about this size, but in about 20 years' time, he'll be pretty enormous, about the size of a door. We've also got porcupine pufferfish in here, which are a really cute species, and they're famous for when they're alarmed, they puff up really big and go round like a football, and they have lots of spikes that sometimes have venom on the end, and that puts off any predators that might be trying to eat them. So if you have any questions at all whilst you're in the ocean tank, then you can talk to any member of staff in a Sea Life uniform, and we'll be very happy to help you and answer all your questions.